In today's digital world, welcome to the era of intelligent printing. Get ready to be astounded by the newest and best color printer of 2024 if you're looking for something that produces vividly detailed and of excellent quality for less than $100. You can now bring your ideas to life in brilliant colors without breaking the bank with this printer's cutting-edge technology, which is not only economical, but also boasts remarkable features like automatic double-sided printing, wireless connectivity, and a huge paper capacity. We have listed the 5 best color printers under $100 in 2024 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each color printer in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is the HP OfficeJet 8015, a wireless color printer. Welcome to a new era of affordable, top-notch color printing with the HP OfficeJet 8015E, hailed as the best color printer under $100 in 2024. With dimensions of just 13.29 x 18.11 x 9.17 inches and weighing only 18 pounds, the HP OfficeJet 8015E seamlessly fits into any workspace. Don't let its compact size fool you. It delivers exceptional speed and quality with its fast color printing, copying, and scanning capabilities. Experience the enhanced convenience of automatic two-sided printing, which saves you valuable time, paper, and money. It can effortlessly handle multi-page documents with a single-sided auto-document feeder. This printer offers an impressive maximum input sheet capacity of 225, accommodating various sheet sizes from 3x5 inches to 8.5x14 inches. Whether you're printing documents and photos or scanning important paperwork, this printer excels at all your needs. In 2024, the HP OfficeJet 8015 continues to dominate the market with its exceptional features, offering affordability, functionality, and a seamless printing experience. Say goodbye to last-minute ink emergencies with the included 6-month free ink subscription when you activate HP Plus. Moreover, even after the initial 6 months, you'll enjoy significant savings of up to 50% on your ink expenses. And if you like this color printer, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Number 2 is the Epson Expression XP5200 color printer. The Epson Expression XP5200 color printer reigns as the ultimate champion in the search for the best color printer under $100 in 2024. Its 150-sheet paper tray provides unmatched convenience, enabling you to accomplish extensive printing tasks without requiring frequent paper refills. With its 2.4-inch color display, navigating the printer becomes effortless. The Epson Smart Panel app allows you to control the printer right from your smartphone or tablet. Among the printer's notable features is its automatic two-sided printing functionality. This not only saves you money, but also makes an environmentally conscious choice by significantly reducing paper waste. The XP5200 is a compact powerhouse, measuring 19.8 x 14.8 x 7.4 inches and weighing just 11.9 pounds. It seamlessly fits into any workspace, showcasing its versatility by supporting various sheet sizes. These include letter, A4, legal, 8x10, 5x7, 4x6, 3.5x5, executive, half letter, A6, and even user-defined sizes from 3.5x5 to 8.5x47.2. Regarding energy efficiency, the XP5200 is incredibly frugal, consuming only 12 watts. This ensures that your power bills remain manageable while still enjoying its exceptional performance. If you're interested in this wireless color printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 3 is the HP NV6055A color inkjet printer. In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable and affordable color printer is crucial. That's where the HP NV6055A color inkjet printer shines as the top choice for a color printer under $100 in 2024. With impressive print speeds of up to 7 pages per minute in color and 10 pages per minute in black, you can say goodbye to waiting for your documents. The HP NV6055E also offers a generous maximum input sheet capacity of 100 pages, accommodating various paper sizes ranging from 3x5 to 8.5x11 inches. This convenient service ensures you'll never run out of ink, while saving you up to 50% on ink costs after the first 3 months. Further, activating HP Plus unlocks advanced features like mobile printing, enhanced security, automatic updates, and much more. The HP NV6055E is a compact and lightweight printer, measuring 14.21 x 17.03 x 5.2 inches and weighing just 11.5 pounds. It is designed to fit seamlessly on your desk without occupying much space. With its support for mobile and wireless printing, you can easily print, scan, and copy from your smartphone or tablet using the HP Smart app. Whether you require automatic two-sided or borderless photo printing, this printer covers you. If you're interested in this wireless color inkjet printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is the HP DeskJet 3755 Compact All-in-One Printer. If you're searching for the best color printer under $100 in 2024, the HP DeskJet 3755 Compact All-in-One Printer deserves your attention. Not only does it offer great value, but it also comes with the added benefit of instant ink. With instant ink, you'll receive a generous monthly allowance of 15 free printies, ensuring you'll never have to worry about running out of ink again. This feature ensures uninterrupted printing, allowing your prints to flow effortlessly. The combination of the 7-segment and LCD display enhances the convenience of your printing experience. You can quickly assess your printer's status and adjust settings with just a glance. Not only that, but this printer supports an impressive range of paper sizes. It can handle everything from small 3x5-inch cards to legal documents and 10 envelopes. Its versatility and flexibility ensure it meets your needs perfectly. In terms of design, this printer is compact and lightweight. It measures just 6.97 x 15.86 x 5.55 inches and weighing a mere 5.1 pounds. It takes up minimal desk space and can effortlessly be relocated. You won't have to worry about constantly refilling paper. With a maximum input sheet capacity of 60 sheets, the HP DeskJet 3755 allows for uninterrupted printing. If you're interested in this compact wireless printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 5 is the Brother MFCJ1000 and 10DW Color Inkjet Printer. In the realm of affordable color printers, the Brother MFCJ1000 and 10DW truly stands out as the best choice under $100 in 2024. It is packed with a plethora of features, and this printer offers a treasure trove of functionality. One notable highlight is its 20-page automatic document feeder, ADF, which simplifies scanning and copying tasks. With this ingenious feature, you can effortlessly handle various media types, reports, invoices, or creative projects. The printer's adjustable paper tray, with a capacity of 150 sheets, is a game-changer when it comes to productivity. Gone are the frustrating moments of constantly refilling paper, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your work. With the Refresh Easy Print service, say goodbye to the anxiety of running out of ink. Even more exciting is the potential for remarkable savings, up to 50%, on Brother Genuine Ink. The printer has compact dimensions of just 15.7 x 13.5 x 6.8 inches and a manageable weight of 16.4 pounds. It's the perfect addition to any home or office setup. The MFCJ1000 and 10DW supports sheet sizes of 8.5 x 11 and 8.5 x 14 inches, providing a wide range of media options. If you're interested in this color inkjet all-in-one printer, check out the link in the description box below. After reviewing each of the 5 best color printers under $100 in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your prints will always be printed perfectly and quickly with these printers. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.